World over, they love curry. Even when you're having a party at home and you want to make a quick pizza, you can make a curry chicken pizza. So, for this, you can also make a fresh pizza dough, or else in the market, you can buy ready-made discs of pizza dough also available. So, we're going to make this quick chicken curry pizza. Not only this, many times when leftover chicken, tandoori chicken pieces, I've used over pizza. So, we're going to make with the kind of sauce also in this. So, you can use olive oil or refined oil. In this, add some chopped onion, chopped garlic. Just saute it a little bit. Okay? You do not want to brown any of it. Just saute it a little bit. Add chicken pieces. These are small chicken pieces. I have brined the chicken so it will cook in no time. In this, add tomato. You can add a puree or even chopped tomato. Add paprika powder or Kashmiri chili powder for nice red color, and let this cook till it gets slightly dry. Not only chicken, but today I am also going to use some paneer. I had some paneer left over. Chicken and paneer curry pizza. Now, when you get this nice aroma, in this add some finely chopped pepper, the capsicum pepper. I'm going to use curry powder. You can just mix a little bit of coriander powder, cumin powder, and a little bit of garam masala, and that becomes your curry powder. Pizza herbs. You can buy the pizza herbs in the market, and make sure that this mixture is not too much saucy. Cook it slightly dry. For some awesome taste, add some of tomato ketchup, a little bit of sugar, and let this cook for another minute. When this is nicely done, you can add paneer. Make sure you use a wide mouth pan so that this mixture will be slightly dry. Do not make it gravy. When this is almost done, check the taste. Add the seasoning of salt, and you can also add a little bit pepper if you want. In this, add small pieces of paneer. That's it. Our chicken paneer curry is ready. So now we can work on our pizza. Aha. Nice. Perfect. And make it slightly sweeter, closer to the original pizza sauce taste, and this is ready. So don't have to break your head to make a pizza sauce. Make it with the curry. Add paneer, chicken, whatever vegetables also if you want, and this is all ready. Here is my pizza disc. Not just the sauce, along with the curry. Just spread it. I love to have a lot of chicken and paneer on this. So get crazy and spread it nicely. Even in biryani, I like more of meat to rice ratio. Like this, even on a pizza, I want more of pieces, chicken or paneer. Now, spread the cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Not any cheese, mozzarella. Let a little bit of cheese overflow. Get some of the vegetables on top. So we got some tiny basil leaf. Spread it. If you have a tulsi leaf also is fine. My oven is also ready. Let it go in at maximum temperature possible in your oven. Here, 200 degrees. 7 to 8 minutes, the mozzarella cheese will melt and will get slight coloring. That's enough. Hard work paid off with sweet dividends. These tiny bananas, super tasty. It's all ready. Okay. Simple, easy, and curry. When the chicken and paneer has a curry flavor, the pizza is going to be absolutely boomba boomba. Run the rolling knife fast. Okay. One more time. Perfect. The spreading cheese is what kids love. And Friends, maybe the world's best taste. You got to make it right for your tongue. Curry pizza, nothing like it. You will just love it. Make it, eat it, and enjoy your life. Too good. In life, the best playground is kitchen. Play with flavors, play with aromas, and enjoy good life.